It's a 1.4-ounce water filtration system, and it has a 0.1 micron filter. It filters out 99.99% of harmful bacteria, but it does not filter out viruses, chemicals, or heavy metals. The flow rate of the VersaFlow is 1 gallon per 5 minutes, which is actually pretty good compared to the other top-of-the-line water filtration systems. You can use this and connect it to the top of your smart water bottle and drink it from your bottle like we do. But there's also ways that you can connect it to your water bladder, or you can use it as a gravity feed system. But by back flushing your filter, that helps extend the life of your filter. You can actually see the filter through the little window on your hydro glue, which is pretty cool. You back flush your filter by running clean water through the opposite way of your filtration system. And so now I'm going to show you how to use it using a smart water bottle. The first thing we're going to do is fill up our bottle with water. We filled it with water. You're going to take your VersaFlow. Gray is the in end, blue is the out end. So gray for dirty water, blue for clean water. And there's even an arrow on here that shows you the water flow. And you have to screw it on very tight. If it's your first time using it, you're going to want to pump through 1 bottle of water. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we have filtered out on our first use with the filtration system 1 bottle of water, and now we have our water that we can drink. This is dirty water, so make sure to always have your filtration system on your dirty water bottle before you drink the water. You don't want to drink this water and get sick. You can also have another water bottle and have one designated as dirty water and one is clean water. Just transfer it over. But make sure you mark your bottles so they don't get mixed up. We just like to use it like this anyways, just having our 1 bottle and drinking it through the filtration straw. So that's what we like to do. Whatever you would prefer. Tastes like clean water. Alright guys, so that was how we use our HydroBlue VersaFlow. This is one of the top rated filtration systems on the market. It's got an excellent price point, it's lightweight, and it filters 100,000 gallons of water, which is quite a lot. We hope this video helps you understand one of the many ways that you can use your HydroBlue VersaFlow. You can actually get this water filtration system on Amazon for $21.95. We're actually going to leave a link in the description